In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your DocuSign signature quickly and easily. Let's dive right in and walk through this straightforward process. First, head over to the DocuSign website. Once you're there, look at the top right corner for the login button. Click it and enter your credentials, such as your email address and password. You'll need to be signed into your account to access your profile settings and make these changes. After logging in, you'll land on the DocuSign homepage where you can see an overview of your account, active documents, and other options. Your next step is to click on your profile, usually found at the top of the page and represented by either your photo or a generic profile icon. In the drop-down menu, select Manage Profile. This will take you to a page where you can adjust various settings related to your account, including personal details and signature options. Once you're in the Manage Profile section, look for a tab or link labeled Signatures. This is where you can handle your existing signatures and make any changes. The page will display your current signature configuration, giving you the option to add new ones or modify existing ones. Next, locate the Actions button next to your signature. Click it to reveal a set of options, including Edit. Selecting Edit will open an interface where you can customize or redesign your signature. You can type your name, draw your signature using a stylus or mouse, or upload an image of your signature. This allows you to personalize your signature to suit your style or organizational needs. Whether you choose to draw it, type it, or upload an image, make sure your updated signature looks neat and professional. Once you're satisfied, save your changes. Properly saving ensures your updates apply to all future electronic documents you sign through DocuSign, improving your digital efficiency, and there you have it. A comprehensive guide to changing your DocuSign signature in just a few moments. I hope this tutorial makes it easy for you to update your digital signature. Thank you for watching and happy signing.